invest money, save money. If I invest money, I can make money, but I can also lose money. If I save money, I will make a very small percentage on money, but I'll still have money. In 20 years, if I invest okay, I'll have more money than I would with the same money sitting in my savings account. Now, let's explain. What is the definition to invest? Expend money with the expectation of achieving a profit or material result by putting it into financial plan, shares, or property, or by using it to develop a commercial venture. That's what invest means. To put money into something that makes money to make more money. Now, a savings account. It says a bank account that earns interest. Okay, that's all you got. The national average of an interest rate on a savings account is the national average is 0.11%. So about 10% on what you have. Well, if you have $10 in your savings account, you'll make 0.11%, and you'll keep making that. Doesn't sound too profitable for your future. Now, there's no problem with saving. Save money, yes. There are reasons to save money. But you can take money from your investments and put those into savings. So save money that you're making off of money that could be making money. It makes sense to me. Let's talk. We clearly know what it is to invest and save now. If you invest, basically you get old and you're rich, right? So I quickly want to show you what it looks like to invest and what it looks like to save. Investing could be difficult, it could look hard, it could be something that you are just stressed out about. You don't know what to do, what to invest in, how to, research what you want to invest in, all of that. You'd be like, why would I invest and it's so hard to do this or that? Well, nothing in life is easy. So in order to achieve something that you want to achieve, you have to put in a little bit of work. So if you want to get more money without manual labor, you invest your money in order for your money to make money. Simple as that. Or you could just put your money in a savings account and you'll keep going to work your 9-to-5 job, make your yearly wage, save money every year, and keep saving it and let it grow that way. Well, technically you are investing, but you're investing slowly and your money isn't making money off of itself and doing work. Simple understanding of what investing is. If you put two people together and they make a baby, that means people make people. If you have a zoo of male and female animals, they make more animals. When plants pollinate, they make more plants. When money is with money, it makes more money. If you put a person by themselves in a room, they cannot make more people. They cannot grow. If you put money in a box, savings account, it will not grow. Simple as that. So my lesson for today is to explain what the difference in saving and investing is for people that don't know. There it is. Save money, your money makes no money. Invest money, your money makes money. Yep, that's all I got. So do some research on what you want to invest in. Think about your future. Think about some of the stuff that you're interested in. Do some research on those things. And if those things seem like they'll be profitable going forward for your future, start investing in them. There are different ways to invest. We'll talk about that on another day. If y'all enjoyed this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Ask me some questions. I am not a financial guru, but I do understand what money does and does not and supposed to do. So, have a nice day, and we'll see you next time.